This is how low Zimbabwe has sunk. ZANU-PF Harare Province Youth Chairman Emmanuel HAASI Toyota Fortuner is captured on camera in Masvingo without a number plate. Tsanabira mashoko obuda panguva inoi ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa zviganada zvazvakuita munyika yeZimbabwe panguva inoi zvinyasoratidza kuti these guys vakutooperator Zimbabwe aiwa semabusinesses avo. Kuti bosubscribe like on the bell kuti timira panapa mudhemira Masvingo vanobuda vanyora vachiti HAASI Toyota Fortuner is captured on camera in Masvingo without a number plate, third number plate and insurance. In place of the number plate is a sticker which says sanctions must go. The vehicle was being driven by a woman identified as HAASI's wife. In place of the third number plate and insurance is a sticker inscribed ZANU-PF Official 2024 working towards Vision 2030. The law does not allow any vehicle on the road without any of these three. Asked for a comment, HAASI initially said that his party is on anti-sanctions campaign and some vehicles were stripped off their number plates and replaced with anti-sanctions logos. He conceded that he is not paying Zimra road license and insurance. He got angry when he realized that he was talking to Masvingo Mirror reporter and argued that the car was not his. ZRP and Zinara have no power over ZANU-PF activists, and both state organs look aside as crimes as being committed. As a result, the streets are now awash with the vehicles that have no number plates. Presidential spokesperson George Charamba recently told Masvingo Mirror that this lawlessness is unacceptable as many robberies are committed using cars without number plates. Thomas Karuda panguva ino ari kuaccuswa vakomana aiwa veZANU-PF vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kuonekwa vari pamusoro pemutemo, havazoda kuchengetedza mutemo, vari kuora kuti zvakanyanyisa. Pina comment section medu unzi mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.